This is our recent installation of high performance secondary windows. There is a total of 20 of them in this first floor apartment in Chelsea. This is our high performance 51 dB triple glaze units. In that specific project we did the soundproofing by installing those windows, as well putting acoustic walls in the whole space, because that specific building have a full aluminium facade, so we had to add acoustic wall here just to get the right performance. And as you can hear, it's barely noticeable. The traffic is flowing, but you cannot really hear it. There's about LAQ of 27 with the maximum readings of 31 dB, and there is a heavy motorbike going by. And this is how this sounded before we've installed the windows and the doors. So the street was pretty loud, with maximum readings of about 58 decibels, especially if you have a very heavy truck or motorbike. Those the units. The principle here was to install the units that will allow the existing windows to open fully. So you can, in this specific setup, you can open every single window in the property. I will close those windows again, just to give you a quick demo and reminder how quiet it gets when everything is closed. So you can see the motorbike, but you cannot hear it. There's another motorbike coming in. I will try to open the windows for that one, just so you can hear how much noise those vehicles generate. And obviously the existing windows are closed, so if you open the window and you want to get the taste of the traffic, it's even